Hi, my name is Yuvie, and I'm doing a brief video to show you guys how simple it was for me to open up an irrevocable trust. I followed Jack's instructions and I just changed the title. Everything that was in the package, I followed it step by step. And then I went to the IRS website and got an EIN number. Then I went to my bank, which is Capital One. I actually had to do a couple of trips because I wasn't expecting for them to ask me so much questions. And I kind of tend to overthink things, so I wanted to make sure that I didn't make any kind of mistakes. They gave me a paper that I was able to come home and fill out. And then I was able to email Jack and just go over everything to make sure that what I did was correct and that I didn't mess up in any way. I then went back to the bank. The only thing is that Capital One, they don't have, they didn't notarize my trust. So I had to go somewhere else to get that notarized. But it took me like half hour and I was able to get my trust set up. So they gave me some checks and some information about my account. And they even gave me a debit card. So it's very simple as long as you follow Jack's step-by-step instructions, and just make sure that you put that it's not a non-profit, but you definitely want to say that you're a charitable business, a charitable organization, and that's all. Very simple. I have my irrevocable trust all set up.